Friedrich Wilhelm Bessel was a famous German scientist. He was born on July 22, 1784, in the city of Minden, Germany. From a young age, Bessel loved to learn about the stars and planets. He was very curious about the world around him. His interest in science grew as he got older. Bessel is best known for his work in astronomy and mathematics. He made many important discoveries that helped people understand the stars and space better. Bessel's interest in science started when he was a teenager. He liked reading books about the stars and the sky. He was especially interested in the movement of the planets. This interest led him to study mathematics and astronomy when he was older. Bessel did not come from a rich family. His family did not have much money, but they supported his education. Bessel studied hard and soon he became very good at math. When Bessel was in his early 20s, he moved to the city of Hamburg. There, he worked as a bookkeeper in a trading company. But he didn't forget his love for astronomy. In his free time, he continued to study the stars and space. He used a telescope to observe the night sky. One of his early discoveries was about the star called 61 Cygni. This star is located in the constellation Cygnus, and Bessel calculated its distance from Earth. His work on this star was very important. It showed people how to measure the distance to faraway stars. This discovery made Bessel famous in the world of science. Bessel's work on the star 61 Cygni was just the beginning of his many important contributions to science. He also studied the movement of the planets in our solar system. At that time, scientists didn't fully understand how the planets moved around the sun. Bessel used his knowledge of mathematics to help explain these movements. He realized that the planets didn't move in perfect circles as people had thought before. Instead, they moved in oval-shaped paths called ellipses. This discovery was very important for astronomy. It helped people understand the orbits of the planets much better. In addition to studying the stars and planets, Bessel worked on the problem of measuring time. Time is very important in science, especially in astronomy. Bessel helped improve the way people measured time. He was one of the first scientists to use a very accurate clock, known as a chronometer. This clock helped astronomers measure the position of the stars more precisely. Bessel also worked on improving the measurement of the Earth's shape. He measured the Earth's size and shape by studying the movement of the stars. This helped scientists understand the Earth's surface better. Bessel's discoveries were very important for the development of astronomy and mathematics. He worked with many other famous scientists of his time. One of the most famous scientists he worked with was Carl Friedrich Gauss. Gauss was another great mathematician from Germany. The two scientists worked together on many projects. Bessel and Gauss both made important discoveries about the movement of the planets. They also worked together to improve the measurement of time. Bessel was very good at using mathematics to solve problems in astronomy. His knowledge of math helped him make many important discoveries. One of his most important achievements was his work on the Bessel function. This function is a mathematical tool that is still used by scientists today. It is used to solve problems in physics, engineering, and other areas of science. Bessel's work on the Bessel function helped make mathematics an important part of astronomy. Bessel's work didn't only help scientists understand the stars and planets. It also helped people understand how to measure the Earth and time more accurately. His discoveries were important for the development of many other sciences, including physics and engineering. Today, Bessel's name is known all over the world. Many places and objects in space are named after him, including a crater on the Moon and a satellite in space. In 1813, Bessel became the director of the Königsberg Observatory in Germany. The observatory was a place where astronomers could study the stars and planets. Bessel worked there for many years, and during this time, he made many of his most important discoveries. He continued to study the stars, planets, and other objects in space. His work at the observatory helped improve the way people studied astronomy. Even though Bessel was very famous in his time, he remained humble. He did not seek attention for his work. Instead, he focused on learning and helping others learn. He taught many students during his time at the Königsberg Observatory. These students went on to become important scientists in their own right. Bessel died on March 17, 1846, at the age of 61. Even though he is no longer alive, his work continues to have an impact on science today. His discoveries helped lay the foundation for modern astronomy and mathematics. Many scientists still use his ideas and tools in their work. Bessel's name will always be remembered as one of the greatest scientists in history. In conclusion, Friedrich Wilhelm Bessel was a brilliant scientist who made many important contributions to the fields of astronomy and mathematics. His work on the stars, planets, and the measurement of time helped improve our understanding of the world and the universe. Bessel's discoveries were not only important in his time, but they continue to be valuable to scientists today. Through his hard work and curiosity, Bessel became one of the most important figures in the history of science. His legacy lives on, inspiring new generations of scientists to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe.